Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Si Mulat Aranza po ito. I thought it ended, but I'm still here. Anyway, si Mulat Aranza po ito. I'm here in Virginia, USA, sa East Coast. And it's actually time check, it's 9:33 in the evening, and I haven't been doing live in a while, and I thought about doing live now, and so far only because I haven't done live for a while. I hope you'll be watching me, and thank you for watching my video reels. And naisipan ko lang po kasing mag-live ngayon dahil medyo mahaba ng konti po kasi yung video na pag-uusapan ko tungkol sa although I've done the video reel on the automated reels na ginawa ko po tungkol sa limiting beliefs, at nagdagdag po ako kasi tungkol sa, kasi masyadong it looks like maganda po kasing topic ito, at malapit po sa akin dahil nahirapan din po kasi ako nung nag-umpisa ako dito sa business na to, at saka sa personal life ko dito sa ganitong klaseng topic. So I thought I would do a live session about it and talk about it para at least ma-explain ko naman pong mabuti sa inyo about my personal personal thought about it for you. Okay? So, ano ko po ng between Tagalog and English, and mostly English, so I can actually talk about it possibly more well to you, dahil naano ko naman po kasi, na-explain ko naman po mabuti doon sa mga video reel at sa mga script na ginawa ko. Anyway, this is about what limiting belief that held me back about doing the business, and about also about the personal life na doing about some decisions about my being in my profession and all these things. Okay? So anyway, talking about, sana po panoorin nyo po, don't scroll up and don't scroll down, just like I said, and it's not gonna take that long. Again, si Mulat Aranza po ito, sa Virginia po ako. I'm a registered nurse, and still a registered nurse, although I have actually retired like 2023, like December or November. Then I actually had to come back part-time in mid 2024 dahil hindi imbang, for some reason na hindi ho mga setbacks na financially na nakwento ko na ho sa inyo, sa mga scammers and everything, sa mga nangyari sa yung mga na siyempre ang pinupuntirya, mga retirees or what. So anyway, isa po ako sa mga na puntirya. So anyway, so I was so glad someone got me for a part-time job, and I'm enjoying it as a nurse too, and so far after that nakita ko ng asawa ko, ng husband ko si Ayan itong itong business na to, na una po I was so skeptic about it because I used to do a lot of businesses before, and I thought I was done about it, and then after that my husband says, wait, look at this, and I was so skeptic about it. And then when I joined, um, and looked at it, and uh, and and after I've joined, and I said, wow, this is it, and it was kind of like a turned around, and I've been enjoying it, and so far it became my passion, um, and so far this is what I've been doing, and 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 it became my passion doing it, and I didn't realize that I'm enjoying it so much, and I hope this is also what you're gonna be looking for, and you'll be enjoying it too. So anyway, this is actually what I will start doing, telling you about this. At first, this is what I thought about myself. I wasn't good enough. Okay, for years I told myself I don't have what it takes. Imagine you tell yourself I don't have what it takes. That was my limiting belief. It paralyzed me. You know, it always paralyzed me before. Then I realized, wait, who wrote that script? I started challenging those thoughts, like replace them with I'm learning, I'm growing, and guess what? Everything changed. Like, identify your limiting belief, write it down, then write down the truths that contradict it. You got this. You have to get this. Okay? So, and that's how that started it. Okay? So, now let me ask you though, what's your limiting belief? Okay? So you could actually share it below, with any, I don't know, somewhere in this live video, if you could share it. Let's cross it together, and also if you could, with this live, it could be recorded anyway. After this live, share this live and inspire someone. If I had let this belief control me, I wouldn't be here today. Okay? Before I started my business, I thought I'm not experienced enough. Who would listen to me, right? That belief held me back for so long, and even from when I was actually doing, my job, like, who'd listen to me, you know that belief held me back for so long, not only with this business, but even from all of the businesses I had before. But then I realized nobody starts as an expert. Even when I was doing, any businesses, any job you've had, it's not only this kind of business, any job you had, right? Nobody starts, everybody starts from the scratch. No one starts as an expert. Success isn't about knowing everything. It's about learning, growing, and showing up. The moment I shifted my mindset, everything changed. And actually, you know what? When I started this business, that's the only time it started that. Like, I'm too old to start, like, starting this pa lang nakikita yung mga, imagine, sa tanda ko na itong ganito eh, ngayon ko pa lang, siguro sa kabisihan ko sa pagiging nurse, na hindi, wala na akong oras sa pag-iisip ng mga ganon, na ano, ewan ko, siguro puro nursing na lang ang nasa isip, hindi mo na naiisip yung mga ganito, pero, uh, I was so like, engrossed what I'm doing, hindi ko na naiisip yung mga ganito, di ba? So today I just want to share my journey of confronting my fear of failure and how I overcame those limiting beliefs that held me back for so long. You know, uh, I realized that these beliefs were simply thoughts that I had created in my mind, and I had the power to change them. By taking small, consistent actions and celebrating its success, however small kahit na konting success lang, biro mo kahit na isang lead lang yan, na kailangan pag anuhin mo na, maging masaya ka na, di ba? Kahit na isang lead lang yan. Kahit hindi mo na kailangan sabihan na isang lang yan, ano pa ba yan? Ba, maging masaya ka na diyan. Biro mo isang lead, maano ka. Pero kung tutuusin mo, ang dami-daming hindi ko na kailangan ipakita sa inyo kung kailan ang kung gusto nyo, pakita ko pa sa inyo yung mga lead ko na ang dami-dami kong lead na nakukuha. I don't need to, actually, I don't need to show you, pero if I have to show you na yung mga iba na hindi na anuhan na tingnan mo to, papakita ko, ewan ko kung makikita nyo, kung makikita nyo, ayan, you've got leads lahat yan. You've got a lead lahat yan. Puro lead dyan. Ayan. This is what? Although today, dalawa, pero kahapon, that's Monday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan, 6 kahapon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tapos, Sunday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 din ng Sunday. Saturday, that was like 1, 2, 3, o tatlo. Friday, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hindi ko na ayoko kasi ilagay yung mga pangalan. These are leads. I'm getting leads every day. And some are like talking to me like this. The other one, you see that's a name because she would like to talk to me more. There's some who would like to talk to me that I could have to answer. Like they're not a lot that honestly, because I'm transparent about that. That who would want to talk about na makikipag magtatanong tungkol sa business. Yeah, there's not a lot of them, but magtatanong about it. But those are small, that small consistent actions. I celebrate them. Masaya na ako. I built the confidence to face my fears head on. Remember, failure is not the end. It's a stepping stone to growth and success. Embrace your journey and you too can overcome that fears. Okay? For years, I let self-doubt and fear dictate my actions. And holding me back from pursuing my dreams, I believe I wasn't capable enough, that success was meant for others, not for me. And I'm not only talking about this business. And and I'm just, when I say for years I let self-doubt and fear dictate my actions. And and I'm pretty sure everyone that are listening to this live session, or even for this after this live, the recorded one, or you know uh, malalaman nyo naman makikita nyo naman sa sa inyo, sa on your life. uh, Alam nyo na yung self-doubt nyo meron, pero don't let it control you. um, Alam ko now, I'm um, I'm finding that out, but it's not too late. I know I'm old already, but it's not too late for me. uh, um, I'm still capable, you know. um, and now I believe that although at that time I believe I wasn't capable enough. uh, I was a nurse. I'm a nurse. I'm still a nurse, and I've had a lot of dreams and held me back from pursuing my dreams. And I've got a lot of dreams even when I was a nurse. At marami akong dreams then for being a nurse, pero it was holding me back from pursuing my dreams, from going back up. But then, you know, yun nga, nag-hold back sa akin. Pati dun sa mga businesses ko. Kaya nga hindi ako nag-angat dun sa mga ibang lahat ng mga business ko, because I thought I couldn't do it. And so I gave up. I actually, kung hindi ako nag-give up sa mga yun na katulad nito, I would have done more of na reach ko na rin siguro yung mga I'm pretty sure, it's not siguro, hindi, I would have done more of na ano yun, if my mindset is yung positivity nga, which I have talked about yesterday. So, but yun nga, I realized that these thoughts were just barriers I had built in my mind. By confronting and dismantling these limiting beliefs, you unleashed your true potential. If I can do it, so can you. So now I am actually dismantling that beliefs. So I'm unleashing my true potential, and I am actually finding that out. And slowly, and I'm actually seeing it, and I'm actually seeing it slowly. If I can do it, so can you. It's time to break free and embrace the success that awaits you. And I am actually seeing it slowly. And and today I want to share the journey of transforming doubt into action. For too long, I let self-imposed barriers hold me back from pursuing that dreams. But one day I decided enough was enough. I took a leap of faith, challenged my fears, and embraced the possibilities that laid ahead. And the leap of faith that I did was actually like deciding to join this business, actually. When I said, I remember I told you I was so skeptic. And because, when I had, when my husband and I was like talking about it, shall I do it or not, or well, it's only this, go ahead and do it. Okay, so took a leap of faith. Okay, so let's just do it. And then when I joined it, it was like, oh my God, I love this. I love doing it. And even my teams, my teammates was like, they could see how I love doing this, what I'm doing. So, and because I challenged my fears and embraced the possibilities that lay ahead. And through dedications and resilience, I learned to turn my doubts into fuel of growth. Today, that's why I'm here to inspire you to break free from your own limitations. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your goals is the belief that you can't achieve them. Let's turn doubt into action together, okay? And I'm here. Uh, remember, small things that success is actually a great success already for you. I also want to share how transforming my mindset revolutionized my life. My life now, it's revolutionizing it. It's before, I was like, little things got me into kind of like chaos, and now everything is like, you know, so calm, and everything is, oh, it's okay, everything is so positive, like, for years I was held back by limiting beliefs that whispered I wasn't enough, but I realized that these thoughts were not facts. They were just stories I had been telling myself. By reframing these beliefs, I opened up a new world of possibilities. Okay? Embracing the growth mindset has empowered me to thrive beyond my wildest dreams. It's not about the hurdles, but how we perceive them. I encourage you to challenge your own limiting beliefs and watch as new opportunities unfold. So, yung mga opportunities po nyo, wag nyo pong anuhin, wag nyo pong i-hurdle na para pagka malay nyo po, itong opportunities na to, ito po ang magpapaiba sa inyo. Baka ito po ang magpapabuhay sa inyo. So, kung ito po ang iniisip nyo na magpapabuhay sa inyo, bakit hindi? Diba? You will discover that these beliefs are just illusions, and by challenging them, you will open the door to endless possibilities. The journey wasn't easy, but each step forward taught me resilience and self-worth. Now I embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. If you're ready to break free from your own limitations, remember, the only thing standing between you and your dreams is the belief that you can't achieve them. Let's embark on this journey together, okay? Have you ever felt something is holding you back from achieving your goals? That's likely a limiting belief, a mental block that keeps you from reaching your full potential. Identifying this belief is the first step towards breaking free and moving forward. Take a moment to reflect on your thoughts and challenges. Ask yourself, what negative belief do you carry about your abilities or worth? Once you pinpoint it, you can challenge and dismantle it, and unlocking the door to new opportunities and success. Remember, the only limits that exist are the ones you create in your mind. Okay? So, yun po ang nawala yung thought ko sa nawala yun po yung that's what you think in your mind, okay? Because have you ever held the belief that simply because it's what you've always known? So today I challenge you to look beyond that comfort zone. Engaging with evidence that contradicts your beliefs can lead to transformative insights and personal growth, okay? So the joy, once you surround yourself with supportive and positive influences is essential for personal and professional growth. Okay? When you engage with your individuals who uplift and encourage you, you're more likely to pursue your goals with confidence and determinations. Now, when you surround yourself with supportive and positive influences, ang sarap hong paanuhan ah, ang sarap hong ah, ang sarap hong mag-engage kasi na-encourage nila po kayo ah, na maging mabuti ang pakikisama at ang mindset nyo nagiging positibo. So, kaya po, ang aking mga kasama sa community na to, the community that I'm with is actually ang aking nagiging positibo rin po ang aking belief dito sa programa na to. Sila po ang nagpupursige sa akin sa aking paniniwala, sa aking paniniwala sa limiting belief ko, at na-encourage po ako, na-uplift po ako sa aking mga goals, sa aking confidence, and sa determination ko, it pushes me to become the best version of me. So this relationship foster me sa environment where I can thrive and embrace the challenges that turned my setbacks into learning opportunities. Okay? So, have you ever held on to belief simply because it's what you've always known? So I challenge you to look beyond that comfort zone. Engaging with evidence that contradicts your beliefs can lead to transformative insights and personal growth. So imagine the power of embracing new perspective and allowing facts to reshape your views. This not only enhances your understanding, but also opens doors to better decision making. Remember, growth happens when we dare to question what we believe. So let's embark on this journey together and discover the truth that lies beyond our preconceived notions. So take a moment to evaluate your circle. Choose to be around those who inspire you and push you to become the best version of yourself. Just like what I told you, your future self will thank you for it. And I have told you, luckily, I am now with around a circle of community in my business who continues to inspire me and pushes me to become the version of me. Kaya yun ho ang na ano ko. So, I also want to share you the journey of confronting the fear of failure, na how I overcame those limiting beliefs that held me back for so long. Now I realized that those beliefs were simply thoughts that I had created in my mind, and I had the power to change them. So taking small, consistent actions and celebrating its success, I built the confidence to face that fears head on. Remember, failure is not the end. It's stepping stone to growth and success. Embrace your journey and you too can overcome overcome your fears. Diba? Uh, so, what's limiting belief is holding you back? Diba? You can comment wherever if you want, and let's break them together. So if you need help shifting your mindset, you can watch my free webinar sa www.mariamoletaranza.com. uh, from like I told you, I almost let this belief stop me, but I didn't. We all have limiting beliefs, but they don't have to define us. So, are you ready to break free? You can join us. So, so nasa sa inyo po yun. Sana po mag-join po kayo sa amin, www.mariamoletaranza.com, at I think hanggang dun na lang po ako, at mukhang may nag ano salamat po sa pag show dito sa live ko, and salamat na lang po, pasensya na po at sa late ng time na to at nag-live po ako, at I guess hanggang dun na lang po, at sana at panoorin niyo po ang mga reels ko, at wag sana po kayong magsawang manood ng mga videos ko, and hanggang dyan, dito na lang po, at panoorin niyo po sana ang mga videos ko. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye.